Recent rainfall has certainly greatly helped control this high pollen count this season. The spring allergy season, though, far from over.
Not only that, a recent study from the American Lung Association gave Harris County a grade F for air quality. That's based on the number of ozone pollution days in 2024.
Yeah, not great there. So ABC 13 meteorologist Elise Smith sitting down with a local doctor to learn more about the health impacts.
Houston is more of a challenging place for people with respiratory illnesses.
From smoke to pollen and pollution from nearby industry, the air quality in Houston isn't always the healthiest. While there have been significant improvements in the region since the 1970s and 80s, pulmonologist Dr. Kieran Nair says Houston's always going to have a mix of different irritants that could be in the air.
But we also have issues like with the heat and humidity. We have issues with mold in a lot of homes and things like that, especially the older homes. And we deal with problems, with in terms of climate change and warming of the climate. We end up with dealing with problems with increased smoke from wildfires or Saharan dust.
Dr. Nair says Houstonians are particularly vulnerable to developing a respiratory illness or disease.
We definitely treat a lot of asthma and respiratory allergies, for sure. Patients with underlying other lung diseases will also be triggered by allergens or particulate matter. So patients who have underlying COPD, they move over here, they notice that their sensitivity is more increased.
And while we're in the middle of oak pollen season, plus the potential threat of wildfire smoke if one were to occur, this time of year can be tricky to navigate for those with known allergies or underlying respiratory conditions.
So a lot of times with our asthmatics, we tell them, take an albuterol inhaler, take it with you if you're going to travel somewhere to a situation where you suspect you're going to be triggered. So on high ozone days, if you're going to go out, take the proper precautions.
And here at ABC 13, we'll alert you to if we're expecting poor air quality plus pollen counts like this oak pollen tracker taken at the end of March to help keep you safe and healthy this spring. Reporting in studio, meteorologist Elise Smith, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.